Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the data path. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata% and open it. Look for the Com.mojang folder and backup worlds and resource packs immediately. This prevents data loss. If the folder is not present, create a new folder named exactly Com.mojang, capitalization matters, and set folder permissions so your user can read/write. Once done, restart the launcher so it can recreate config files and detect your backups automatically when you add them back. Next, you ensure the launcher can access Com.mojang. Run the Minecraft launcher as administrator once. This resolves many permission hangups. Then open your antivirus or Windows security and inspect quarantine or blocked files. Restore and whitelist the launcher if needed. Make sure the Com.mojang folder has full control for your user. Right-click, Properties, Security, Edit Permissions. After adjusting permissions, relaunch the game so the launcher can read and write settings and populate that folder. Finally, restore your backups by copying worlds and resource packs back into Com.mojang, then start Minecraft to confirm they appear. If the folder still does not populate, use the launcher's repair option or reinstall the launcher to restore missing files. Make sure you do not overwrite valid backups during reinstall. If problems persist, create a fresh Windows user profile and test there. This isolates corrupted user settings. One key tip: always keep an external backup of saves before making permission or reinstall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.